Today, we are going to talk about identifying JIC hydraulic fittings and adapters. JIC adapters are a straight thread flare adapter. The sealing surface of a JIC adapter is on the 37-degree flare. Most flare-style adapters you find in the hydraulic industry are JIC 37-degree flare. Just be cautious, as there are similar-looking adapters. JIS adapters have a 30-degree flare, with British standard pipe threads. Komatsu adapters have a 30-degree flare, with metric threads. And SAE adapters have a 45-degree flare. Utilize your hosebox thread identification kit to ensure you have a JIC adapter. First, check the degree of the flare. Then check the threads. And lastly, find the correct size. For more in-depth information on metric adapters and other styles of hydraulic adapters, go to learnfittings.com.